The liver is one of our body's most important organs. It performs more than 500 bodily functions, including purifying our blood by eliminating any toxins or useless cells, breaking down carbohydrates and lipids, and storing substances that give our body energy, such as vitamins A, D, K, and E. However, we don't always take care of our liver as we should. Our constant exposure to environmental toxins, paired with our poor eating habits, compromise its health and affect its ability to perform. A great way to keep your liver healthy is through a healthy diet. Detox juices, for example, help your liver eliminate any prejudicial residue and contribute towards weight loss. If you're looking to find a natural way to detoxify your liver and shed a few extra pounds, try this recipe. It's simple and only calls for 3 ingredients that are easily found in your kitchen. Lemon. Drinking water with lemon is a great way to activate your digestive system and boost intestinal cleansing to purify our body of toxins. Parsley. Parsley is rich in flavonoids and antioxidant substances, and, just like the lemon, contains large quantities of vitamin C. These properties help protect and care for your liver. Celery. Due to its diuretic properties, celery can greatly help your liver eliminate built-up toxins. Here's how to make the miracle juice. Ingredients: 3 lemons, 1 cup of parsley, 5 stalks of celery, 6 cups of water. Instructions: blend the lemon juice, parsley, and celery. Then add the water and blend again. You should drink 2 cups of this 3 times a day, always on an empty stomach, a few hours after having eaten. Repeat this procedure for the next 2 days for a total of 3 days. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.